Hello there and welcome to Genesis Models and welcome to this inbox review. We're going to be taking a look at this beauty just here. It is going to be building the Ghostbusters ECTO-1. I mean, quite an iconic sort of good old 80s film. Really love this car. I mean, if you was ever a kid in those days, you know, I mean, everyone kind of had the toy cars and everything. Really sort of really kind of bring back a lot of good memories. Now this is by FanHome. It's one of those where we get it delivered to our house once a month on a subscription basis, and you build pretty much a fantastic big massive huge car. I mean, I have issue 1 just here, and you could probably already see compared to my hand how big the bonnet is by just looking at that. It's going to be a really huge nice big centerpiece to show off in your modeling workshop, or even in your office or something like that. It's got all the kind of like movable flashing lights, doors open, boot opens, bonnet opens, showing off full interior, full engine detail, and all sorts of goodies going on there. It is a 1/8 scale kit as well, so it's pretty damn big. Got some really cool features as well, like you turn the steering wheel and the wheels turn. Things like the proton pack stretcher storage thing that kind of comes out, and apparently you can also kind of activate the tail lamps and stuff through switches on the actual dashboard, and you put your foot on the brake pedal and the brake lights come on. Cool little things like that really sort of sets it off. Also, you do get some free gifts as you go along with this subscription. One, you get like a proper nice life-size license plate of the ECTO-1, t-shirt, cap, binders, all those kind of good stuff. So let's just open up this first issue and let's have a look at the quality of the parts. Let's take a look at the spray work and all that good stuff. So straight to the bonnet, right? Big massive slab of die-cast metal, really sort of heavy, really big, kind of gives you an idea of the scale that's going on with this model. Looking at the spray work itself, I mean, you can sort of see there is a very nice shiny, very consistent spray job on here. I'm just feeling it, and I'm not feeling any sort of rough edges or any sort of imperfections in the spray work. So you know, this is another advantage to a build like this, is that they provide you with a screwdriver, maybe going off and getting a bit of super glue. That is all you kind of need, and that's pretty much kind of as skillful as it gets. Is a lot of screwing things together, maybe a little bit of glue, but it really is such an easy build. So you know, anyone who is basic, intermediate, advanced can enjoy building this, not have to go off and have specialized tools like airbrush and stuff to spray it all. The only thing you could do if you wanted to get a bit fancy, if it was a bit advanced, is, I mean, maybe you could weather it, maybe not, that's up to you. But yeah, really good. I'll just quickly sort of show you as well. We've got a piece just here, right? I mean, you know, they just slot into these holes, and then we'll put 4 screws just in there. So it does seem quite easy. I haven't actually looked at the instructions yet, but let's take a look. So here are some instructions that come with it. It does show you what comes in each sort of issue, so you can check all your parts and make sure it's all there. And then you have these very sort of detailed pictures in color, good quality paper, even with descriptions for every sort of step of the way of how it all goes together. So you really shouldn't get lost in how to put this together, right? You shouldn't really have any sort of problems in that sense. Like, these instructions are some of the best kind of really I've ever seen, really, because they just go through it so step by step with you. You know, and then you've got a bit of a magazine part where you can sort of read about the actual show, the series, about the characters that were in it, the Ghostbusters, the car, and you know, all sorts of cool stuff that you can go over, as well as it kind of gives you a sneak peek of what's in the next issue as well, which looks like we're going to do the front bumper area just there. So yeah, instructions, really nice to sort of get you through it and learn a little bit about Ghostbusters and maybe a few other facts and stuff that you've not even gone over. So what we're going to do now is probably go over just kind of like building this a bit and see if we find any issues. Did want to sort of show you as well the license plate as well, looks so cool. That's also a nice bit of die cast. So I actually went ahead and did up to issue 3, you know, to get the bumper, because I think that just looks so amazing, so shiny. There's our bonnet, nothing really kind of majorly hard actually in the first issue. A little bit of a note on the building, do like how they kind of get all your screws and they put nice little labels on there, and they give you a couple of extra just in case you lose any, just to make it just so easy basically. I mean, it really doesn't take a lot to do this. The only advice I'd give you when building these kind of things is try not to screw too hard and cross thread things, you know. It's only kind of like plastic and sometimes going through metal, so it's like yeah, just don't over tighten. That's probably about as much skill as you need. So there you go. I'm really impressed with that. It does look like we've got little holes there as well to put like actual lights in there, so that's going to be rather cool. ECTO-1 looking fantastic. So yeah, if you are interested, please do check the link down below and go check out their website, where you can check out all the details and sign up if you want to get your hands on one of these ECTO-1s. But as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.